types of angle. Types of angle can be classified from 0 degree to 360 degree. Angles are like acute angle, obtuse angle, zero angle, reflex angle, right angle, straight angle, and complete angle. Let us first see acute angle. Acute angle, an angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree. Okay, whose measurement is less than 90 degree, like 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree. Look at here, this is our Caesar. It forms an acute angle. This is less than 90 degree, and in the clock it is 2 o'clock, so it forms an acute angle. Okay, let us see this. Okay, so all the measurement, this is 90 degree, all the measurement which is less than 90 degree is your acute angle. Now come to next is our obtuse angle. An angle whose measurement is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. It will look like this because this is our 90 degree and more than 90 degree is obtuse angle. Look at the clock. In this it is 4 o'clock, so it forms an obtuse angle. Next angle is our zero angle. If the initial and final position of the ray coincide, ray OX is here and ray OY not started from here. Okay, not started from here rotation, so it will coincide here and it will form a zero angle. Next one is our reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degree is our reflex angle. Okay, so let us see in this 90, 180, this. So this type of arrangement is our reflex angle. Now come to the right angle. Right angle, an angle whose measurement is exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree is right angle. Look at here, AOB is 90 degree. It will form 1/4 of rotation. Okay. Now, straight angle, an angle whose measurement is 180 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So, the complete one is 180 degree. So, this type of angle is known as straight angle. And the last one is complete angle. An angle whose measurement is 360 degree is known as complete angle.